All right, so the skill that we're working with today is going to be division with rational exponents. So there's two primary properties that are going to be utilized as we go through this example. The first one involves what to do when you have the same base and you are dividing, right? So if you look at the first property, it tells us that if you have the same base a, then what you'll do with the exponents, p and q, is subtract them. The second property we're going to look at is if you have a base such as a and you have it raised to a negative power, then what you'll do is you'll rewrite it as a, but a will now exist as the base in the denominator. The power will come down with it as well, but when you switch it and you bring it into the denominator, the power will become positive. Okay, so we're going to use both of these properties as we look at the first example. So here, I have v to the 1/4 all over v to the 11/4. Because I have the same base of v, I can go ahead and use that property, which tells me that v to the 1/4 minus 11/4 power. We can then simplify this to v is equal to negative 10/4. I'm allowed to do that subtraction because they both had that denominator of 4. So now that I have this negative power, you see I have negative 10/4. I can rewrite this as 1 over v to the 10/4 power. We're almost done. The only thing that we would be asked to do is to simplify the power. 10 and 4 can be reduced. It's a fraction that can be reduced. You can see how 10 and 4 are both divisible by 2. So all we have to do is reduce the fraction of the power of v. If we divide top and bottom by 2, we arrive at 5/2. So then what we'll get is that the expression simplifies to 1 over v to the 5 halves power.